Good morning, Sat Shri Akal, Suprabhat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one math skill test for class 9 to 10, and in first session we will solve its 5 questions. Your first question is 2.5 raised to power x is equal to 0.025 raised to power y and is equal to 10 raised to power 3, then find the value of 1 upon x minus 1 upon y. What will be its correct answer? 4 option you have: 3 by 2, 1 by 3, 5 by 3 and 2 by 3. So come on the solution. Our first question is 2.5 raised to power x. This we can write equal to 10 raised to power 3, and if we shift the x on right side, this value will give you 2.5 is equal to 10 raised to power 3 upon x. This we can let is the first equation. Second part you have 0.025 raised to power y. This equal to 10 raised to power 3. So this we can write 0.025 equal to 10 raised to power 3 upon y. Now you will divide the equation 1 by equation 2. So the 2.5 upon 0.25 equal to 10 raised to power 3 upon x upon 10 raised to power 3 upon y. This value will give you 100 after cancellation, and here the exponential I you will use, base is same, so power you will subtract. Now on both side you can say 100 is the square of 10 and base is same on both side. So these two part, their power will be equal, and when you will shift this 3 on the left side, then you will get 1 upon x minus 1 upon y is equal to 3. So our answer is 2 by 3. D option is its correct option. So this was the first question. Now come on second question. Second question you have 5 raised to power log x plus x raised to power log 5 is equal to 50. So what should come here? 10, 50, 100, 200. So now we are solving this. Second sum, 5 raised to power log x plus x raised to power log 5 equal to 50 is there, and x raised to power 5, this you can write 5 raised to power log x is per the property of logarithmetic, and now the this and this is the same, so we can write it 2 times of 5 raised to power log x is equal to 50. This 2 you will shift on the right side, 50 by 2 it will give you 25, and 25 is the square of 5. So both side the base is same, then their power we will take equal. So the log x is equal to 2 will come, and you know 2 is the value of log 100. So both sides the log are there, so log to log cancel, then x is equal to 100 answer will come, and 100 is on the option C. So C is its correct option. Now look its next sum. A cylindrical solid with base 5 centimeter, a cylindrical solid is there whose base is 5 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter, and this is melted down from 12 identical cones with radius 4 centimeter. Then calculate the height of each cone. So we need to find here the height of each cone. So melted concept is there, so the volume of the cylinder will be equal to the volume of 12 cones. So come on the solution. Volume of cylinder is equal to the 12 time of volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of one cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 12 cones are there, 3 to cancel it on 4, and when you will shift for this h, pi to pi will cancel. Now left here r square h. So radius of cylinder was 5 centimeter. 5 multiply 5, and height of cylinder was 8 centimeter, and radius of cone was 4 centimeter. So after the cancellation here we get 25 by 8, and 20 by 5 by 8 in mixed fraction is 3 1 by 8 centimeter, and for this A is the correct option, so its answer be A option, 3 1 by 8 centimeter. Okay students, now come on its fourth sum. 3 cubes with sides in the ratio 3:4:5 melted to form a single cube whose diagonal is 12√3. So dear student, as you know, the cube diagonal of cube is side multiply √3. So what will be the side of this cube? Side of this cube will be 12 centimeter. So the cube is of 12 centimeter, and this cube of side 12 centimeter melted in 3 such cubes whose side we need. Which option will come? Okay, so come on the solution. Here diagonal is 12√3, then the side of the larger one cube is 12 centimeter. Volume of large cube equal to the volume of is 3 cubes. So three cubes are made up of the previous one by melting. So volume of cube is side multiply side multiply side. So 12 multiply 12 multiply 12 is there, and first cube volume whose side was in the ratio given 3. 3 cube is 27x cube plus 64x cube, and third cube is 125x cube. X cube is common in all over there, then you will add the value 27, 64, 125. This will give you 216, and when you will cancel them, you will get the value of x equal to 2 centimeter. And what was the ratio of the sides of cube? This was the 3:4:5. So answer will be according to this. X value is 2, we assumed here 3x, 4x, 5x. So what answer should come here? 3 2 ja 6, 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10. So our correct answer is 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So the question number 4 correct answer is option number B, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and the 10 centimeter. 5 number question is the very most important question. This also in your 9th class syllabus, second chapter, exercise 2.5. On there you solved it. A plus B plus C equal to 0 if you have given, then find the value of A square upon BC plus B square upon CA plus C square upon AB. And by taking the LCM we will solve it. So come on the answer. A plus B plus C, this value you have given equal to 0, and this part also you have given. here the a b c is LCM, so in numerator part it will come a cube plus b cube plus c cube, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So 3abc upon abc, abc to abc cancel, then 3 answer will come, and 3 is on the C option. Now the question, how a cube b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So look here student, one identity is there, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that's equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, and a plus b plus c value already you have given equal to 0, so this complete product will come equal to 0, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube value will be 3abc. So which option is the correct option? C option. C option is its correct option. 5 number question, option number C equal to 3 is its correct option. So like, subscribe the channel, and very soon the next video will be uploaded. So thank you and have a nice day.